Okay po. So, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Thank you very much for being here. We understand po na madami tayong ginagawa, so we really appreciate the time na binigay niyo po for this orientation. Okay, so to start po, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Renzi, a researcher po for AHA. And today po, we'll be talking about your self-care quest to hashtag address the stress. Okay, so to start po, we'd like to recognize that you as healthcare workers have been trained to deal with the strenuous, often very stressful situations and address difficult cases po na I think average people po, kagaya ko, mahihirapan po i-handle. Okay, so you're very experienced na po with that. However po, none of us were prepared for this crisis po, for the pandemic and its consequences po aside from the disease. Okay, madami po ang nangyari and we were caught off guard. But we would like to tell you that you are not alone in this one po. And to be able to help more patients and still be there with for our families, our friends, and for each other. Okay, we want to be able to work with you. Kaya nga po sabi nila to hashtag address the stress. And with that, I'd like to formally welcome you po to your self-care quest. Okay, so ano pong mangyayari dito sa self-care quest natin? Okay, so together po, we're going on a journey to test the best power up. Okay, so ano po ba itong power up na ito? So this came from our research and from the experiences and feedback po of your fellow healthcare professionals. Okay, so they are aimed to support you and help you create safer spaces po for yourselves. Okay, so again po, welcome. And bago po tayo magsimula or bago po namin ipakilala sa inyo ang mga tools, let's double check lang po if we're all good to go. And please answer po this survey po na nandito po sa screen ngayon. Okay, and once you're ready, type lang po natin sa chat kung we're good to go. Okay, or if you're done na answering the survey, type ready na din po. Okay, so we're good to go na po. Okay, so we mentioned earlier po that on this journey, you will be accompanied by your self-care partners. Okay, sino ba to or ano ba po itong self-care partners na ito? So we have three po. Okay, so yung self-care partners po natin are first, the breathing audio meditation guide. Okay, so bakit po ito? Okay, because the deep breathing po is one of the most effective ways to lower stress in the body. Okay, kung meron nga po tayong patients, pinapahinga po natin sila ng malalim to calm them down. Okay, so hinga, kalma. And for this one po, since this is a self-care quest, okay, tayo naman po ang hihinga ng malalim at kakalma. Okay. Now, next po, we have the essential oil stickers. Okay, this is research po based on aromatherapy and certain scents. Yo po, may mga amoy po na nakakatulong magpabawas ng stress, anxiety, and depression at nakakapagaan po ng feeling and nakaka-boost ng feelings of relaxation. Okay, and next po is the third one. We have the gratitude meditation guide. No? According to research po, gratitude po ang ang pagiging or ang pagpapasalamat. Nakaka-trigger po siya ng calming parts ng ating nervous system. Okay? Nababawasan po ang ating cortisol levels or ang ating stress hormones and increases our oxytocin or isa po sa tatlong happy hormones natin, making us feel loved, okay, trusted, happy. So these are the three self-care partners po that will be accompanying you for this journey. Okay, so ngayon po na nakilala na po natin sila. Kailan at saan naman po natin sila pwede gamitin. Okay, so that's what we will be doing today. Okay, tutulungan po namin kayo mag-identify ng anchors ninyo para mas madalas nyo po, mas consistently nyo magamit ang ating self-care partners. Okay? Kumbaga po, masulit, ma-optimize natin sila. Okay? So ano po itong mga anchors natin? Okay, so anchors po, they're already existing part of our life. Okay, routine na po natin to sila na ginagawa natin araw-araw. At ito po yung magre-remind sa atin para gawin or para gamitin po yung ating self-care partners. So, prepare po natin sila, yung existing routine niyo po, plus your self-care partners. Okay, so ano po ang gagawin natin pagpili? We have quick tips po sa pag-identify. Okay, so first po, pick anchors you always do. Hindi na po natin kailangan gumawa ng bagong system, mag-devise ng bagong routine. Pipili na lang po tayo ng something po na ginagawa na natin always, and then we're going to pair it with our self-care partners. Next one po, anchors po like after dinner or whenever I feel stressed, mahirap po silang maging effective. Okay? So, mas maganda po if the anchors are more precise. Okay? Mas specific po. So, kung after dinner po, let's say after dinner, tapos in charge po kayo maghugas. Okay? After you close the dishwasher po. Okay? And kung papasok po kayo or pauwi sa trabaho, instead of saying po, while on my way to work, pwede po after I sit down on the train or bus. Or habang break time naman po, pwede nyo sabihin after I pour coffee. Okay? So, or after I drink my coffee. And so on po. So, mas specific po, mas precise, mas maganda po siya. And already be established habits. So, again po, related po ito sa first one po. Uh, established na po siya. Part na po talaga ng ating daily routine. Okay, so we have things to consider po in choosing our anchors. Okay, dapat po meron tayong same location, same frequency, at same theme po with our new behavior. Okay, so ano po ito? For example po, yung gagawin po natin na bagong behavior is flossing. Okay, so flossing po, kung meron tayong same theme, pwede po natin ang pag-toothbrush. Okay, so brushing our teeth. So that would be the same theme po as our new behavior. So frequency po, pwede po twice a day. Okay, isa once in the morning, once in the evening. And same location po, we can have sa harap ng lababo. Okay, so same location, frequency, and theme. Nag-add lang po tayo ng flossing. So ganun po yung pagpili natin ng anchor. Okay, so we have another example here po. So thinking about the time, the location, and the habit po. So the theme, the location, and kung kailan nyo po mas magagawa. So for the time po, although later on, meron na po tayong recommended times sa paggamit po ng ating self-care partners para hindi na po tayo mahirapan pumili. Okay, so na-optimize na po namin sila sa kung anong oras po sila pwede nyo pong gamitin. Okay, so pero for this one po, think of where in the day you would most likely to use it. Kung kailan nyo po mas magagamit ang self-care partners po natin. Okay, so for the location po, saan nyo naman po siya mas magagamit? And for the habit, ano po yung ginagawa nyo na madali, kung saan madali nyo po siyang magagawa or may dadagdag? Okay, yung bago nyo, yung ating self-care partners po. Okay, so for this one po, pre-duty. Okay, so bago po simula yung trabaho natin. Next one is sa locker room or sa office desk. Okay, so break room, pwede din po. And yung habit po na i-prepare natin is while drinking coffee. Okay. So ganito po yung mangyayari. Sample po natin na tool is sa group chat. Okay? So during pre-duty, bago po magsimula ang ating trabaho, while in the break room, after I drink coffee. So pagkatapos na po ng behavior, I will message my group chat. Opo. Yes. Okay, so we're going to give you 1 minute po. Okay, para po kumuha ng scratch paper and pen. Okay, bago po tayo mag-identify po ng ating anchors for each of our self-care partners. Again po, please Type ready po sa chat if meron na tayong scratch paper and pen. Okay po. So, let's identify na po our anchors for each of our self-care partners. So, first po, yung una nating self-care partner, breathe body. So, ano po ito siya? Ito po yung deep breathing audio guides natin. Okay? Para po matulungan tayo magpahinga and practice sa deep breathing method. So, pakikinggan lang po natin ito siya and then we follow the instructions po kung paano po siya gawin. Okay? So, for this one, we recommend using this bago po kayo or bago po mag-start ang ating duty. So, before mag-start ang ating shift, okay, take time and listen sa ating breathe body. Okay, so during pre-duty po ito siya. Okay, so we think of pag-fill up po. So during pre-duty, while in, okay, nasaan po kayo? And then after I, ano po yung ginagawa niyo? So again, let's be very specific po kasi pag mas specific po, mas maganda po siya, mas effective ang ating magiging anchor. Okay, if kailangan po natin ng example, pwede po siya during pre-duty, uh, while in transit to my workplace, after I sit down on the bus, I will go to the link. Okay, pwede po siya na example. Pero since iba-iba po tayo, we can have different anchors po for each day. Opo? So, kung kailan po para sa inyo, mas magagamit nyo siya. So, we need to identify the anchor po for that. Again po, during is the time. So, we recommend you use this pre-duty. While in, the location po. And after I, ay yung habit po na palagi nyong ginagawa. Okay. So, thank you po for that. Next po is we have the essential stickers. Okay, so yung essential stickers po, they are scented stickers infused with ingredients po that have benefits to improve your mood. Okay, so certain scents po have certain effects po. Okay, or can help you, let's say, reduce stress or anxiety or help you relax. Okay, so we have a few directions to use po. uh, make sure po na you washed your or disinfected your hands before using and opening the box. And use on part of clothes po where you would be able to smell the oil. Wag po natin siyang ilagay sa mask or directly sa skin. Okay? So sa clothes po natin, pwede po sa may collar or pwede din po sa may shoulders. Okay? So we can use po essential oil stickers or the essential stickers up to 3 times a day po. Okay, so pwede po tayong gumamit ng 3 beses sa isang araw. Pero wag po nating i-reuse ang ating stickers. And do not use po or if you have known allergies po, with any of the oils or if magkaroon po kayo ng allergy or maka-experience po kayo ng headache, habang gumagamit po kayo ng oil, pwede nyo pong itigil ang paggamit. And it's not intended po to diagnose, treat, or cure, pero makakatulong po ito sa pagbabawas po ng symptoms of stress. Okay, so bakit po ito ang pinili namin, ang essential stickers? Okay, so para po makapagpabigay sa inyo ng much needed relief during busy days with the help of relaxing scents kasi dala-dala na po natin yung relaxing na amoy. Okay, so we recommend that you use this during your duty or during your shift. Okay, so let's try po identify po ng ating anchor for this one. Okay, so during duty, okay, while in, nasaan po tayo? After okay, I will use the stickers. So pwede po during duty, while in the break room, okay, after I drink my coffee, for example, or after I wash my hands, kung nasa banyo po tayo, I will use the sticker. Okay po. So for next one po, we have TY for today. Okay? So ito po ay playlist na may kasama pong a playlist po of tracks on different topics that revolve around the feeling of gratitude, despite po our experiences of difficult moments, okay, and negative emotions or challenging people. Okay, so bakit po ito? Okay, yung TY for today po, YouTube playlist siya na ginawa po namin specifically for you po to help you feel encouraged throughout each day. Okay, so we recommend that you use this po pag pauwi or after ng ating duty, and it takes 3 to 5 minutes to feel grateful and listen to. Okay, TY for today. So again po, let's try to identify kung ano po yung pwede nating anchor dito for TY for today. Okay, so during uh, post-duty or after po ng ating duty, okay? During post-duty, while in, okay, yung sa location nyo po, and then after I, pagkatapos po ng ating habit, okay, I will use or I will listen to the audio. So again po, as an example, pwede tayong during post-duty, while in the bus, okay, after I paid my fare, opo, or pagkatapos nating magbayad po ng ating pamasahe, okay, I will use or listen to the audio. Okay, that's an example po. So another example could be during post-duty, while in the locker room, after I change my clothes, I will listen to the audio. Okay, but again, we recommend that you use this on your way back home or after po your shift. Okay po. So now that we have identified po our anchors for our self-care partners, ano naman po yung pwede nating i-expect for the rest of the 3 weeks po ng ating journey? Okay, so first po, we will already release the tools po. So to your respective hospitals. So please confirm through text po if you've already received your tools po. Next one po is we'll be sending you a weekly check-up survey to check up on you po. Mga musta po if how are you with the tools currently? Nakakatulong po ba sila? Okay, so the survey po will take at most 1 minute po. So that would be one survey per week po. And lastly po, we encourage you to participate in the inciting interview. Okay, para po ma-share nyo yung experience nyo po first hand. Okay, kung ano po yung nangyari during the 3 weeks. Do you have comments or feedbacks regarding the self-care partners? And you'd also be requested po to answer a post-test. Okay, so at most po, it will take you 10 minutes to answer. Okay po, so if you have any questions po, during the next 3 weeks, feel free po to message your respective AHA researchers. Okay, so sila po yung nagsisend sa inyo ng reminders o po ng options for the orientation, yung mga schedule po. Okay, sila po yun. So if you have any questions, pwede nyo po silang i-message. And for this one po, for claiming only, you may contact these uh, people, yung person in charge po, for the distribution po, or for claiming your self-care partners po. So for each hospital po, we have one. Okay, so nandito po yung contact number nila and their names. Okay, so thank you very much po. Thank you so much. We are so glad to be on this journey with you. And we look forward po to getting your honest feedback. Gusto po namin malaman yung experience niyo po. Okay? To help us better support your community of healthcare professionals. And remember po, there are no wrong answers or experiences po throughout this journey. Okay? So again, thank you very much. We really appreciate you being here. Okay, so thank you.